Hello kids, I am Atomico and I am an atom. You see, an atom like me is very important because atoms are the building blocks of matter. And everything in this world that takes up space and has a mass is matter. Let's take water for example. Water is matter made up of atoms that bind together to form the water molecules. The atoms of oxygen and hydrogen bind together to form a water molecule. Matter can also be changed to energy. Remember the famous mathematical equation of Albert Einstein, E equals mc squared? This equation means that energy is equal to the mass times c to the second power, or speed of light raised to the second power. And do you know that this is the equation that helps scientists to discover the atomic energy and make atomic bombs? That's because an atom like me has stored energy within. Let's look inside an atom. As you can see, an atom has electrons which are negatively charged, protons that are positively charged, and neutrons of neutral charge, or that are uncharged. Just as the planets revolve around the sun as the center of the solar system, the electrons also spin around the nucleus, which is the center of atoms. The nucleus is made up of neutrons and protons. And it is within our nucleus that great energy is trapped, since it would take so much energy to bind the protons together. Now, let me tell you how this energy is released. There are actually two ways. One is through nuclear fusion, and the other is through nuclear fission. In nuclear fusion, energy is released when the nuclei of atoms are combined or fused together. This is how the sun and stars get their energy, thereby releasing enormous heat, light, and other radiations. On the other hand, in nuclear fission, energy is released when the nuclei of atoms are split apart. Nuclear fission is the only method currently used by nuclear plants to generate electricity because this process releases so much heat energy. Although sometimes, nuclear energy is used to make destructive weapons, there are also a lot of good things you can get from nuclear energy. In fact, the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute in Quezon City continuously conducts research for applications of nuclear energy in agriculture, natural science, medicine, and many more. But of course, scientists are always aware of the necessary precautions they must take. So bye for now. We do hope that people will always put this technology to good use only.